Lagi ka rin ba nakakarinig sa mga magulang mo ng, "Hay nako, kaka-cellphone mo yan." O hindi kaya, "Ay sus, gadget kasi ng gadget. Kami nga noon." Ako? Oo. Kasi nga naman, nung panahon nila, wala pang ganyan-ganyan. There were no cellphones, no gadgets, no computers, no internet. Maswerte ng araw ang ipinanganak in the digital age because ICT made life a whole lot easier. As a Gen Z, I don't think I can imagine living without technology, as it has been part of my life for as long as I can remember. Lalo as a student, lahat halos ng ginagawa ko, research, modules, group work, assisted na with ICT tools. Dati Google lang, ngayon may AI pa. Aside from its convenience, ICT also has the power and potential to play a crucial role in the development of various parts and institutions in our life and society. Economically, online jobs, e-commerce. Socially, information and awareness. And politically, platforms for us to address issues of inequality and challenge power imbalances. Despite this though, there still remains concerns about ICT regarding the digital divide, the knowledge gap, especially in generations, and accessibility in locations heightens this problem. Some people, gaya ng mga lola at lolo o kaya mga relatives ko nga sa probinsya, either one, have no access to technology and the internet, or two, have no knowledge or awareness about how to use them. This issue calls to be addressed. But it also emphasizes na hindi sapat ang basta lang na pamimigay o paggawa ng ICT tools o gadgets. Kailangan rin ng proper support, education, at training. Technology indeed offers benefits and opportunities we could only dream of getting without it. But without proper education, it is just as impossible. Useless even. We are now connected more than ever. As Gen Z, I believe we both have the power and responsibility to use the ICT that basically raised us to call and ignite change and development. Malay mo, maybe we could finally turn the negative connotations of "kaka-cellphone mo yan" into a positive one. Kaka-cellphone mo yan.